Understanding clinical trials in liver cancer. A clinical trial is a research study in which people volunteer to test a new drug or treatment before it is available to the public or approved by the regulatory authorities. Clinical trials help researchers find new ways to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases, including liver cancer. New tests and treatments are needed for liver cancer, which affects a substantial number of people each year. Liver cancer incidence rates have more than tripled, and death rates have more than doubled since 1980. The most common type of liver cancer, hepatocellular carcinoma, or HCC, is the fastest rising cause of death in the United States. Clinical trials are done in phases. Each phase has a different goal. In Phase 1, a small group of volunteers tests a treatment to learn about its safety and side effects, also called toxicity. In Phase 2, a larger group tests the effectiveness, or how well it treats the disease. In Phase 3, many volunteers are treated to confirm effectiveness and compare the treatment with currently available treatments that may be considered standard of care. A treatment is approved by the regulatory authorities once it is proven safe for patients and effective as a disease treatment. Then, doctors can prescribe it with wider access for the public. Researchers continue gathering information on the treatment after it is publicly available. Before starting, clinical trials must be approved by a group called an Institutional Review Board, or IRB, which may include patients like you and/or patient advocates. During the trial, study monitors check that the research is done correctly and that your safety and privacy are protected. If the study monitors find problems, they can stop the trial. Clinical trials for liver cancer are investigating everything from screening tests, targeted therapy, to new immunotherapy combinations to treat cancer cells by increasing one's immune responses. You may join a liver cancer clinical trial to try a new treatment or help others. Researchers check to make sure each person who joins a trial meets certain standards called eligibility criteria to make sure they qualify to take part. Volunteers are needed because new treatments must be evaluated in humans before being prescribed. This can provide early access to new therapies before they are widely available. But in the United States, only 7 in every 100 people with cancer join a clinical trial. Many people may not know that trials are available or how to find one. You may benefit personally from being in a clinical trial, and you will help others with liver cancer in the future. The trial results will help doctors learn more about liver cancer. Like every treatment, clinical trials have some risks. It is important to learn about these risks before volunteering for a trial. The risks are often like the risks of standard cancer treatment, such as side effects or the treatment not working as well as you hoped. You can learn about trials before joining. Once you find a trial that interests you, contact your doctor or other healthcare provider to learn if you qualify. If so, you will go through a process called informed consent. This involves meeting with a study coordinator to review the research plan, risks, and benefits. If you want to join, you sign a statement agreeing to be in the trial. The doctor in charge of the study, called the principal investigator, or PI, will work closely with you and your doctor. You can leave a clinical trial at any time if you change your mind. You will still receive the usual treatments and care for liver cancer if you leave the trial. A placebo, or sugar pill, looks like the treatment or procedure doctors are studying, but contains no active ingredients. The trial may compare the new treatment to the standard treatment. In cases with a proven therapy, placebo would not be used. However, placebo may be used in cases where there is no proven treatment. If you are interested in joining a trial, speak to your medical team. They can help you find the right trial for you. You can also search for clinical trials by visiting the clinicaltrials.gov website or by visiting Blue Ferry's Clinical Trials Finder at blueferry.org/clinical-trials.